Alright, welcome to the 2014 O-Level Unseen Poetry section. I'll be annotating this with you today, and I'm going to be trying the questioning method as opposed to the split method. Alright? Uh, for the example of the split method, please refer to to my older videos or the 2018-2017 videos. Alright? Uh, yeah, it's older because I made them first, and I'm doing this, and I'm doing them in reverse order. So eventually, yeah, you'll see 2013, 12, 11, and so on and so forth. Alright? I think I have until 2010. If you like me to annotate any poem, please send it to me and together with your questions. Alright. So, and if you like me to try other methods of annotation, please let me know as well. So, first thing we do whenever we see text is we read the question first of all, alright? And that's my method. So, benefit of this is helps you, especially if they give you the lines to focus, you know immediately what to do. Right, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw my line, and then I'm going to start asking my questions. Alright. Now, first of all, let's look at this: vivid and feelings. So, as compared to the previous one, which was about the heart first, the prose of 2014. This is about your ideas and then your feeling later. Okay, so just asking some questions. I noticed that this continues to the next line, right? And what makes me curious is some days it's inside his chest, some days it's inside his brain. So, what's the difference when it goes to either place? Alright, let my hand catch up my mouth. Okay. Bone house. What on earth is this? Rattling ribs. So is it his chest? But he just oh yeah, it is his chest. Whoops, sorry. Okay. But it's interesting why he calls it uh bone house. Maybe he wants to emphasize the ribs shaking. Okay. Maybe he wants to make it sound more creepy. Okay. I fan it off. So I guess that means he can't see it. Is it all the time or just sometimes? So is it a real bird? That's my next question. Especially since he describes it so realistically. Mm-hmm. It prints roofs. What is this? Carrion, garbage, excrement. Okay, I know this means like dead flesh, rubbish, and this is like your feces, all unwanted stuff. So, how is it related? Is he calling it? Or is it is the bird bringing that to him? And also makes me wonder why does the bird like him so much? Okay. Uh, this is interesting. Voucher on public utility pole. Is this a different bird or same bird? Because he is definitely a human, not a public utility pole. Okay. Um, it's clacking. Why does it like his liver? Oh, it's so much. Why is it attacking him? Okay. It lasts minutes or days, then it leaves sickle-shaped wings. Maybe why is it so long? Virus is gone, leaving a residue. I suppose this could be what it has eaten, or the rubbish, the shit, whatever. Although it's quite a few things, because okay, breath, fine, droppings, yeah, but molted feather seems like it's grown or changed as well. Is it growing from a young bird to a bigger bird? Is it migrating? What? And then I pray to panic. So this seems to be a circle of life kind of thing. Alright. So looking at the front half, what makes it so vivid? So I'm gonna change my color. Okay. I guess this part, right? Rattling ribs like a bone cage. This part I can use the idea of creepy. Why is it creepy to rattle your ribs? I mean, it's your bones. It's talking about your health. I guess. Creepy affects your health. Maybe the insides of your body as well, not the outsides. Okay. Perhaps the fact that you don't know where. I suppose I can link it to here also. So, unknown. Okay, maybe not a fact. Sorry, let me cancel this out. I think the fact that surprises by attacking from anywhere, anytime. Okay, give me a while. Yeah. Okay. Approaches from behind. Perhaps also, and this part, how disgusting it appears. Oh look, I can use this as well. I wonder if I can make a two-dimensional point. So disgusting and yet proud. Cool. Creepy and yet powerful. Yeah, sure, why not? Creepy. Should I go dangerous? Yeah. Possibly dangerous. Whatever, but I mean the idea is to have a rich point rather than just like one idea. Okay, next part. Feeling so powerfully. Suppose the part that's attacking him. What does it make you feel? Yeah, the skill of his attack, so okay, so I can't say the poet feels like he's attacking, but the poet feels attack. Okay, so oops, I forgot to use a different color. Okay. Never mind. I'll use a different one later. Okay. Wondering where I should put time as well. This is gonna be trickier. Feels so bad. You know what? I'm just gonna throw this in as a bonus. Okay, skill. Whoops. scale, time. Scale as in severity. This part. Okay, I suppose this would be a feeling of relief. But it's not, and not just relief, right? It's relief, and yet he still has to clean the thing up. Relief, and yet frustrated. Okay, it's gone. Frustrated, have to clean up. Again, if you saw my previous video, I don't need to answer the question, has it grown or changed? I just need to notice this and then ask my feeling about that. Okay? I suppose I could also say frustrated that might happen again. But I'm going to save this for a third possibility. Remember, you have a maximum of 2 to 3 answers for each part. And you definitely will not have time for 3. Alright, at most 1. But if I want to have a third one, I'll probably say something along the lines of, seems a bit resigned or calm about his fate. Because it says life continues and his prey to, I mean, both of these seem to happen side by side. The idea that prey to panic is the same as life continuing. About the panic, but happening again. Alright, so what do I think this poem is actually about? I think it's pretty obvious. He's talking about the emotion of panic in the form of a bird, how it suddenly flies in and out of his body. Why a bird? I don't know, you got me. But it is an effective image. How birds maybe flap, when they flap around with their wings, it seems quite messy. And if the bird was like right next to you, you would also be quite scared because, with the packing and the wings flapping, you'll be hurt by the sharp beak. If you've ever been attacked by a raven or crow, you'll know what I mean. And even the feathers, because I guess when they start flapping, they move around so quickly and they make a mess out of things, and they appear so much larger when their wings are extended as well. So there you go, quite a good metaphor to use, I suppose. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, please leave any comments you might have below so I know how to improve and possibly implement it in the next video that I make, which should be in about 2 weeks from now. All the best with your O-levels if you are preparing, and have a nice day.